The Night Before Valentine's Day by Natasha Wang, retold by Maya. It was the night before Valentine's Day. Everyone was making cards. They gathered lots of supplies like glitter and more to make crafts. They marked the envelopes with all of the names on each envelope. They hoped the other kids did that too. When everyone finished, they went to bed. Everyone dreamed of getting candy hearts. They entered the classroom with goodie bags. They made posters. The teacher received a bouquet of flowers from Mr. O'Meyer. The art teacher painted hearts on everyone's nose. Will everyone receive a card? Read more to find out to see what else they do on Valentine's Day.